In this video, we will discuss setting your stock selections for the draw. We will go to the start link, logged into our demo Rodeo Association, then go Rodeo Setup, Set Stock for Draw. We will choose the rodeo we're working with. And now we have a number of options. First of all, we'll have a look at the table here below. And this is a table of our stock contractors that we would have set up prior in setting stock database. It has a list of all of the stock types. It has all of the contractors, as well as a use and draw checkbox here, which we will obviously need to use. Now, there's several ways in which we can do this. Over here is going to be a automatic select all option. So these are the stock contractors that are listed in the rodeo setup for this rodeo that are available, and we can choose to select all the stock if we wish, or we can make individual selections or a combination of that. So let's start with select all stock from ABC stock. So ABC stock is one of our contractors. And we select, and we can scroll down the list here, and we can see all the animals and the type of event they are set up for. Bull riding here, bareback was above, one for saddle bronc, a few more for saddle bronc here now for ABC stock. And we also have Pine Hill Stock Company as one of the stock contractors. Now, if they are only going to be providing a few animals or perhaps for specific events, so maybe they're supplying some saddle bronc horses. So we'll make some selections here of all of their saddle bronc horses. We'll hit the save selection for stock draw, and that will update our list. The use and draw column will now include all those animals that were selected before, as well as the Pine Hill Stock Company saddle bronc horses that we just selected. So at this point, all of these animals would be available to use in the stock draw. So that would be the next step. They're also available to assign manually in some of the other functions. If we wish to simply start all over, then we hit the reset all selections button. And now that has wiped out all of the checkboxes, and we have a clean list here. One thing to make note of, let's just hit all ABC stock here. Once we've selected these, again, they're available for the stock draw. This is specific to the rodeo that we have selected. So if we were to choose another rodeo, we would see a different list, either blank list or a different list available. So it will maintain this as you move from rodeo to rodeo, running your stock assignments. Now, if you find that you don't have the stock that you need another stock contractor, you would go to Rodeo Setup, Set Rodeos, choose that rodeo, and add another stock contractor. Once you do that, that stock contractor and all of their stock will appear here. If you need to sort, we can sort by type. And so now everything is sorted by the event type for that animal. If you need to sort it by stock contractor to work within the animals from a particular contractor, you can sort by this heading. And again, the next step is then to ensure that you have the competitor draw ran first, and then you would use the generate stock draw, and it will assign these animals to the draw. If you have already set some reride stock, it will not use that reride stock in the assignment